A one-day orientation program under Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao for school management committee members was held yesterday at the conference hall of Royal Academy of Law, Oinam. The event was participated by JEO John Bishnupur N. Tikendra, Deputy Inspector N. Ranjit, Principal of Bishnupur Higher Secondary School, Hemabati, and several others. Laimapopam Public High School, Nambol celebrated the Teachers' Day yesterday. The event was held to commemorate the birth anniversary of former Indian President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, during which State Teachers Award winner and also the headmistress of the school, Longjam Manglembi, was feted. BJP workers of Bishnupur constituency under the supervision of social worker Salam Jeevan handed over Chief Minister Gi Hakselgi Tingbang card Laishram Bukondo of Thinungai Mayailekai. As per reports, Bukondo had been bedridden for a long time due to an illness and was not getting medical attention owing to poor financial condition of his family. 4 members of District Council of the United Democratic Party in Jensia Hills Autonomous District Council joined the BJP in Shillong last evening, according to reports. In this regard, BJP's Meghalaya Chief in Charge Nalin Kohli said the joining of MDCs to BJP from parties that are part of Coalition Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government in the state would not have any conflict. Noted jurist Ram Jethmalani passed away today at the age of 95. Ram Jethmalani breathed his last death at his official residence in Delhi, as per reports. Jethmalani's son Mahesh and other close acquaintances said that he was not keeping well for a few months. He passed away a few days before his 96th birthday on September 14. An earthquake of 5.4 magnitude struck the city of Neijiang in Sichuan province early today. The earthquake injured around 30 people, as per reports.